Today in class, we're going to cover 9.PCH.1.7 content. This content is super short. It's about decision making and making healthy choices to lead a healthy life. And then you have a discussion board assignment that I will also explain in this video. So of course, a lot of people do recognize the importance of making healthy choices and decisions because they impact our quality of life. While a lot of people, most people, and like I said, including myself, hopefully you want to be healthy over a lifetime, but unfortunately sometimes we make decisions as we go through our life that do have a negative health impact, either on us immediately or on our health down the road. So it's very important to recognize the relationships between the decisions you make now and how it can affect your future. So if your person's health is diminished, it may prevent you from achieving certain goals in life. Like, for example, if you decide to smoke cigarettes, it can affect you both short-term and long-term. Of course, short-term effects may be just lack of lung capacity, which would affect your athletic performance or running a mile or being able to do anything physically. Long-term effects could be having to carry an oxygen tank everywhere you go because you have had lung cancer, you've had emphysema, and it would prevent you from engaging in any kind of physical activity or doing anything that you typically enjoy and wouldn't have thought about being a struggle. So like I said, that's all the content I have for you, super short. And I'm going to go ahead and discuss and talk about the discussion board you are supposed to complete with this content. So for this discussion board, this is your instructions. I want you to think about the goals you have set for yourself in the future. Think about both long-term and short-term goals, and think about how your health can affect the ability to complete those goals as you grow older. So here's your actual discussion board. In a paragraph, which is at least 5 or more sentences, discuss why it's important to think about your future when making decisions that might not affect you today but could possibly affect your quality of life later. This decision could be things such as smoking, doing drugs, exercising, or the lack thereof, or proper nutrition. Keep in mind the concept of delayed gratification. This means you can make decisions on having something better while sacrificing something at that time. For example, saving money can be a form of delayed gratification. Although you can't spend it at the moment, if you save it, you may become rich later. So that is all you have to do for this content. Like I said, review the short paragraph on the content and then complete this discussion board.